Sup guys, Devin Adventure Hobby Passion doing a video inside the trailer. Chloe's here. Keith's here, he's cutting up a rag. We got two engines, technically. There's a chainsaw and then a Predator on the workbench. So I actually bought this engine 2.5 years ago? 3 years ago?
Seriously, that long
ago? It's built, so we are going to tear into it, double check all the health, see if it's healthy, take off some of the extra parts because the governor gear is still in. The sprocket. Let me show you. All right, so I gotta get that sprocket off the crank, and then there's the gear for the governor, and then it also still has the governor arm in there. You can't even really see it. Right there. So we're going to take this bolt out, and I'm also going to be doing a vent tube so we can vent this whole system. So, and I'll probably take I got to take the rod off so I can, one, I want to check the clearances of see if it is still in spec. Two, to get the crank out. So, it's going to be interesting and fun. So, let's get to it. Alright, don't remember where I was last time, but the governor gears are broken off. All the holes are filled in the block. Cleaned up the bore. Got to clean it one more time, and then I'm actually going to be assembling everything. The top end, wherever the heck I put the piston. Oh yeah, I put it in this towel. Assembling the piston. Crap! I just dropped the pin somewhere on the ground. I'll have to look for that. Assembling pretty much everything. I'm gonna get the cam in, the lifters. After I do that, then pretty much everything on the bottom end. I can't get it sealed up today because I don't have the gasket kits. I'm actually gonna go check them out right now, but I'm pretty sure the gasket kits are supposed to be here next week. All right, so we got the sister, Elizabeth, mom, brother, and then obviously me. Signing the engine block because it's good luck.
Don't forget, you got Dad.
We got, let's see if we can get it focused. We got Mom, be safe. And then you got my signature. So now Elizabeth's gonna sign it. Then also, Dad came outside to come help sign the block for good luck. We get it all signed up for good luck. Woo! See what you wrote.
My name.
Elizabeth. Good luck. Just stay out of the oil. Tyler's writing it on the top. You gonna do a little dragon or something? Oh, this is hard. Does that say? Oh, it does say be safe too. Alright, now Dad's turn, and then we'll have to get the last sister.
Where am I supposed to write on it?
Anywhere that does not have the oil. Go big. Woo! It doesn't do it very good. But it says Cookies Brianna for the last one with the smiley face at the top. Thanks, Mom, for helping us out.
Always. And be safe. No
Yes.
dying.
Yes, that's why we did this. This is all for good luck. Right on the inside of your engine for good luck. Okay, so it's been a fat minute since I filmed last, but I got new valves in. And they're lapped and installed. I have billet connector caps, but they're just the stock ones in there, so I can break this cam in. So we're gonna go ahead, I got the new gasket on it. So now I got this the 2 dowel pins. Now I'm gonna put the head on it, torque it down, and look around for the carburetor, and I don't know what I'm gonna do for the exhaust yet. And then from there, after I break in the engine, I'm going to change the springs out, put my 26-pound springs, which came with 3 for some reason, which is kind of funny. So 3 of those springs, but technically I'm only going to be installing 2 because I can't install more. We're going to install those and look at getting another part. Roller ratio rockers. We're going to see if those get coil bind if we use a roller rockers. Ratio rockers that have rollers. Yeah, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and get this head on and torque down. Alright, so I've been doing this engine build. I totally didn't think that I thought I filmed a couple updates, but I didn't. So I don't know why the camera's so foggy. But got the cam in, the lifters, and got that all timed and up in place. And then put the side cover on, torqued it down. And then I put the head on. I'm actually probably going to be taking this back off, doing some more measurements, and checking a few different things. I did put oil in it, and I think it might be leaking, so I actually put it over here to double check that it's not leaking. But we bought our new sensor on it, and we're actually going to need to advance the timing a little bit. 1, to help this so it fits. 2, it should run better. More coming on this kit later. I will have a big video on this. Stay tuned for that if you're very interested in that sensor. And then just the exhaust that I have, it will be getting the orange exhaust that I have on the blue mini bike, because this engine is going on the orange mini bike, and we're gonna have to open up the exhaust on it, and still a lot more to come. We got a race in a week and a half, so I'm getting down to the wire, but it'll be fine. All right, well, we got the temporary gas can, and it's all temporarily wired, temporary bolted down. There's only 2 engine bolts. We're gonna do the first startup and the break-in. She's gonna sound freaking mean, but yeah, Keith's gonna film us so I can start it.
1 eternity later.
Alright, hopefully you enjoyed my little engine building session. Little thing, didn't have any time lapses on or anything on that. A lot of joking around, a lot of having fun building it. But I can't reveal all my secrets on it and how to build it. I mean, I told you some of the good stuff, but not quite all of the secrets. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel. Go out and go find your passions.